What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the exciting Hot Wheels Stunt Tracks Mid-Air Crash playset. Now this motorized track set is designed specifically for racing, looping, jumping, and of course, spectacular mid-air crashes. Now this set includes one exclusive Hot Wheels car and a motorized booster that keeps the action going continuously. But here's one important thing to remember before buying this set. 4D batteries are required but not included, so you need to provide those separately before you can start racing. And what's more, this set also requires adult assembly, so if you're not an adult, you might need to ask your grown-up before you can assemble this playset up and start racing. Anyway, let's unbox it, reveal it, build it, test the included car, and of course, see if this playset deserves a place in your Hot Wheels collection. Let's jump right in, but first up, before we open this playset up, let's check out this impressive box artwork first that we can appreciate it. The packaging is bright, colorful, and action-packed. The front artwork shows the playset in full operation with multiple cars racing around the track before colliding dramatically in midair. The artwork highlights large vertical loops, dual racing paths, mid-air crash zone, motorized booster, include Hot Wheels car, and of course, Hot Wheels Speed Snap track system connection points. The artwork does a great job showing exactly what the set is designed to do, race, stunt, and crash. The box dimensions shown on the artwork suggest a fairly large playset once assembled, making it one of the biggest stunt-focused Hot Wheels track sets ever made. Alright, let's unbox this beauty up. This won't take long, I promise. And here it is, out of the package. Now, here's everything that comes out of the box. Inside the box, we get the Hot Wheels Stunt Tracks Mid-Air Crash Collision playset parts, motorized booster section, loop pieces, curved track sections, crash intersection components, support pieces, one exclusive Hot Wheels vehicle, and instruction manual and English. That's right, instructions and English. Now, remember, batteries are not included. Now anyway, let's start off with the included vehicle first. The included vehicle features a futuristic Hot Wheels fantasy design. Now for the colors. The color scheme is absolutely eye-catching. The transparent neon orange body, metallic silver lower body, gold chrome style wheels, white racing graphics, and bright black and yellow checkered racing details. The translucent orange body gives the car a special X-Racers style appearance that stands out from regular Hot Wheels releases. Now for the design. The body shape is sleek and aerodynamic, with low racing profile, smooth flowing lines, futuristic styling, large rear openings, and sports car inspired proportions. And for the detailing, even though it's included with a playset, it still has printed racing graphics, checkerboard patterns, Hot Wheels logo details, and unique translucent body construction. The gold wheels contrast nicely against the orange body, and it makes the car look much more premium than many basic track set inclusions. Now for the educational segment. Did you know Hot Wheels tracks teach several real-world science concepts? Now for the gravity. Cars can't gain speed as they travel down slopes. Momentum. The heavier and faster the vehicle moves, the more momentum it carries. Centripetal force. When cars go for loops, force keeps them pressed against the track instead of falling. And for the collision physics, the mid-air crash feature demonstrates how moving objects transfer energy when they collide. This makes Hot Wheels a fun way to learn basic physics while playing. And now, let's assemble this playset up. A few moments later. Okay, this playset is officially assembled. Now, let's talk about playset features now. This playset is packed with action features like the Motorized booster. The booster continuously launches cars around the track for non-stop racing. The vertical loop. Cars race through a large loop before heading towards the stunt section. The mid-air crash zone. The highlight of the set. Multiple vehicles can be added to create spectacular airborne crashes. The diverter switch. A track diverter allows cars to continue racing or head towards the different challenges. And finally, the foldable storage. One of the best features is that the set folds up for easier storage and transport. It even includes a carrying handle. And now, it's time for the moment of truth. Track performance test. Now, how does the included car perform well on a Hot Wheels track? Let's find out and see for ourselves. Now, we're going to turn on the Motorized booster and let's count down with me. 3, 2, 1, go! Look at that, go! Now, before we stop, let's add some more cars. We have the 24/7, the Lamborghini, the Solar Reflex. Oh no, we've got a collision out there. Okay, since the included car forward force has successfully conquered the loop out there, here are the track performance results for this casting anyway. Now, for the loop test, the forward force successfully completed the loop consistently. The results excellent. For the speed test, The motorized booster launches the forward force with strong, repeatable speed. The result, excellent. For the curve test, the forward force stayed planted through the curves with no major derailments. The result, very good. For the mid-air jump test, the lightweight aerodynamic design helps the car maintain stable flight during jumps. The result, excellent. And finally, for the continuous running test, the forward force can circulate repeatedly around the track without needing much intervention. The result, excellent. By which I mean, the overall track performance rating for the forward force has been given out 9 out of 10 stars. And apart from that, this casting is also a good performer on straight tracks, loops, and even boosters and launchers. Now, let's talk about track piece compatibility. The playset uses Hot Wheels track components and connection points that allow some expansion possibilities. It's compatible with many standard Hot Wheels 1/64 scale vehicles, various Hot Wheels orange track sections, some Speed Snap track system components, and select Hot Wheels stunt accessories. And it's not always compatible with oversized vehicles, especially Hot Wheels XL or monster trucks, extremely heavy castings, cars with very low front splitters, and vehicles with exposed wheel designs. For the best performance, the track-focused Hot Wheels cars like this one can generally work best on motorized sets. Now, let's wrap it up with my final thoughts. The Hot Wheels Stunt Tracks Mid-Air Crash playset delivers exactly what its name promises: speed, stunts, and spectacular crashes. The motorized booster keeps the action moving. The loop adds excellent excitement, and the mid-air crash collision zone creates plenty of unpredictable moments. The included translucent orange Hot Wheels car can look fantastic and performs very well on the track. Combined with a foldable storage design, this makes a great choice for Hot Wheels fans who enjoy action-packed playsets. Now, as for the pros, excellent, and I mean exciting mid-air crash action, motorized continuous racing, large impressive layout, foldable storage design, included exclusive looking vehicle, great replay value, fun educational physics concepts, and bright colorful track design, as well as ideal for collectors and fans, and smooth rolling wheels. And for the cons, it requires 4D batteries. Batteries are not included. It requires adult assembly before assembling it. Larger footprint. When assembled, some cars may perform better than others. Motorized operation creates noticeable noise, and this car doesn't even have opening parts because this is you include car itself only. And finally, for the final ratings, the design is 9 out of 10, vehicle detailing 8.5 out of 10, vehicle color scheme 9.5 out of 10, track performance will include car only 9 out of 10, play features 9.5 out of 10, collectability 8.5 out of 10, storage friendly 9 out of 10, and track piece compatibility 8 out of 10, as well as value for play 9 out of 10, which means the overall rating for the Hot Wheels Stunt Tracks Mid-Air Crash playset is 9 out of 10 stars. And apart from that, this included car is also officially 100% track approved. So that's the unboxing and review video of the Hot Wheels Stunt Tracks Mid-Air Crash playset. If you love racing, looping, and crashing Hot Wheels cars, the Stunt Tracks Mid-Air Crash playset is worth checking out, definitely. And now for the Hot Wheels track showcase. I can't show you this on the turntable because of its size, but I can show you on this instead. Now thanks for watching Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides. If you enjoyed this unboxing and review video, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and ring the notification bell for more hot-tastic Hot Wheels videos like this. And also, let me know in the comments below, how many Hot Wheels cars do you think it can race before the ultimate mid-air crash happens? Now as always, this is Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides. Keep racing, keep collecting, and I'll see you next time, here on Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides. Peace, and of course, happy collecting!